All right, y'all. Let's get this started. Let's refresh that time. Minus four minutes. Yes, we started -4 minutes. Stream starts as soon as I'm ready, y'all. I'm a one-woman show, so you know, sometimes I'm a little late, but I do my best. That's why I give us extra time. So we do a 1-hour game jam here. That's what we're doing. I've got a blank Godot project behind me. Welcome, everyone. We do this every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern, give or take a few minutes. Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoy yourself. I'm gonna spend an hour trying to make my game in 1 hour, and then I'm gonna spend an hour making my game. You know what I mean? And then I want to check out all the games that y'all made in 1 hour. You can join with any engine you want, so don't worry about whether it's Godot or whatever. There is one thing, I need it to be HTML based. So as long as I can play it in the browser, however we get there, that's good enough for me. Who do we got in this house? We got Frank in the house. We got Dark Rosen in the house. We got S just gonna watch. That's cool. That's what's up. Welcome, S. Good to see you. I think we have some topic suggestions from S. That's gonna be important. I do need topic suggestions from you guys. Let's talk about the rules, though. This is a non-rated game jam. All right, we're here to have fun. We're here to learn what our limitations are, what we didn't know we could do. That kind of stuff. Getting the game dev gears in our brains turning. That's the point of this all. If you don't finish a game, that's all right. Don't worry. It's all love here. I promise I'll be nice. Here are the rules, though. The main rule is make a game. Just like make a game, right? And whatever a game is to you, that's a game to me. It can be a small game. It's probably gonna have to be small. It can be narrative based, like tabletop or journaling or something, or it could be like 3D or 2D. I don't really care, you know, just like make it feel like kind of a game, and then we're good. Rule number 2, use the topic. Chat, I would love some suggestions. We do have some support for the suggestion that is car race. So we got some suggestions in the Discord, actually. So let me pull that up. We do have a Discord. The link is in the description, by the way. If you want to join up on Discord, you can go do that. S made some suggestions, suggested some things there. I'm stumbling my words. Sliced bread. Is that really one of the suggestions? That's not a suggestion. That's really a suggestion? Wait, let me see this. Let me see what we got. So here's the thing with this rule, though. Let me tell you the truth about this rule. Basically, if you just include the topic in your game, that's good enough. You don't have to base your entire game on the topic. Just like include it, just like mention it, right? But if you do blend it all the way in, we'll be even more impressed. Okay, so some ideas we got from S on the Discord. Stop moving to win. Move the mouse to the middle of the screen to win. Jump 3 times, slice bread, and car race. Does anybody, what do you think about these topic ideas? What do you think about them? So that's the idea. Just reference the topic. That's the most important thing. Rule number 3, you only have 1 hour. Now, this is a little loosey-goosey. I'm going to do a pre-submission, personally. I'm going to do a pre-submission, which is nice because then you can keep updating it after that timer on my left ends. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you don't know how to do it, we'll figure it out together. And mostly it's 1 hour. But if you like have bugs you need to fix, you want to polish it up and bring it back next week, that works too. If you do not get a pre-submission, by the way, there is a nice, just a very nice little thing you can do, and that's called the community page. So just put it up on this community tab over here on the itch if you totally miss it. That works as well. We're fine here. It's not super strict. Just keep that in mind. All right, y'all. So those are the rules. We got 1 minute and 18 seconds to come up with a topic. I gotta make sure I update this on itch because it's just question marks. It's just question marks. We gotta keep people in the loop. Car race sounds fun. Okay, car race. I already have a script idea on what I want to do. And that is also okay. If you want to reuse things that you've made before, that's fine. Thought they might be good for encouraging people to start simple and be confident in starting small. Yeah. No, I like them. I don't know. I just kind of like go with my gut, like what feels like it would be a approachable topic, but also like have some action. So car race. I'm seeing some love for car race. Maybe like race to the race. We have slice bread was something. Slicing and racing. Race slice of race. Dividing race. If the theme isn't car race, I'll make the game during the week anyway. Okay, I love that attitude. Just make games. I've got 15 seconds. Split race. Bread race. Bread race? Oh, I don't know about that. Race to win. Oh, it's the best I got. Race to win. Save it. I had to do it before the timer goes up. It's look, we gotta be specific here. I'm gonna say race to win. I don't know, it's what I typed. It's what I typed. Race to win is the topic. There you go, y'all. Race to win. It is what it is. So I'm gonna make that in the chat as well. So that way we have it here. And then I'm gonna get mine started. I'm gonna do my best to get it started. Wish me luck. Good luck to you. Remember to have fun. Remember, it's okay. It's okay if it doesn't turn out perfectly. We're gonna show love to you, and I'm certainly not gonna have a perfect result myself. That is almost guaranteed. I almost promise you I won't have a perfect result, but I will try. I will try to do my best. That's what matters. Before I start, I do want to tell you, can you subscribe to the channel? Do you want to? Are you subscribed to this channel yet? I do these game jams every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. If you subscribe, you'll be all the more informed, probably, unless you ring that bell, then you definitely will be informed. But I'm not asking you to ring the bell. I'm just asking you to subscribe, because it's a really nice channel. I do all kinds of Godot game dev, and we're building a cool community here, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. So thank you if you can hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and it means a lot to me personally. So thank you if you can do that. Good luck, everybody. Indeed. Welcome, Eroxxie. So let's see. Race to win. Race to win. Okay. All right. That's something. I would sip my tea, but it's very hot right now, and so I think that's going to be unpleasant. So there's racing to lose. This topic was decided so quickly. That's what happens when I'm late, is I have to not spend as much time on the topic. I feel like we were really getting somewhere with racing and slicing, but it's okay. So let's see. If you race to lose, so what are we? Are we running? Are we a car? Right? You could be a car. That's my car. Or you could be a person who's running, right? Like, here we go. This is what running looks like. Okay. Or it could be something completely different. We could be neither a person nor a car racing, and we could just be like, I don't know, because I gotta think about my abilities. What am I actually able to do in Godot? I'm pretty new to Godot. I'm not extremely well versed in Godot, so I'm always learning, and I'm not really sure. Like, if we wanna race, I need a timer, right? We definitely need to think about time, because what are you racing against, right? So I think I really want to focus on setting up a timer. I don't want to worry about laps and stuff. Personally, I don't have capacity for that. But let's say, we'll just tell you how long it took you to get from point A to point B. So we have a point A, we have a point B. How are we getting there? I don't know yet. But at the very least, there's that. All right, let me get all this out of the way. I like to plan it in Paint. It's my game dev document, don't you know? Yeah, that's what this is. So we definitely want a point A and a point B. Do we want like twists and turns? I've actually never quite made something like this, but we have to think about movement. I gotta plan out the movement of it, because that's like the main mechanic. That's what makes it difficult, is can you get from point A to point B faster or slower, So like there's like got to be acceleration somewhere in there. This is actually a little tricky. This is a very specific kind of task. So like, what are the obstacles that we have to... Oh, we could just do some obstacles. Mm. And then the thing is, I mean, race to win. Like what? Like what do I mean by that? Like specifically, like. So we have to do more than just like you did it in a certain amount of time. Like we want to see you to do it under a certain amount of time. So we'd almost, if I want to do the topic, you know, personally, and I don't expect everyone to do it this way, but if I really want to have it be with the topic, I might want to say you have to get to be before time runs out. So time could be going down, right? And like, can you make it before that? Or maybe maybe we say like so let's first of all I'm just gonna say a minute, okay? Because we have to test it. So like I can't have it be too long or we're gonna be a minute's even a really long time, you know? A minute's a long time. I'm spending a lot of time planning because I actually do not know what to do with this topic. This is a tough topic for me. So let's say you're at like 34 out of 60. So there will be like 60 seconds will be the maximum. You could have a go at using Godot physics bodies a bit. Well, maybe. I never have, but you're making it sound like maybe it's doable. Just like drop like they have like a car script, right? Already in there. So then I could just do 4 to 15 seconds. Yeah, that would probably be like better if I was much shorter. 60 seems long. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go with that. We're gonna say 30 seconds. Good call. Good call, S. You know what? That's too long. It's gonna be harder to test, especially since the clock is a ticking. The clock is a ticking. Yeah, so let's bring that down. I'm gonna say 14 out of 60 seconds. This is just 14 is imaginary, right? So I'm saying you have to beat it within 60 seconds and hopefully you get less than 60 seconds. I guess I'll just do that. I'll just try to build a very simple racetrack. Why don't I just do that? I don't know. I've never done that before, and maybe it's going to be really easy. I don't know, but maybe I'll just build a simple racetrack. That's right. Dude, that's a beautiful clock emoji. Oh my gosh. All right, that's what it's going to be. I'm just going to make a racetrack. That's it. We're just going to make a racetrack. We're going to try experimenting with Godot's physics bodies and, you know, goddess help us all. All right, I mean, I guess I'll make a car of some kind. It's not gonna be much, but I think the car wins. I think it's gonna be the car. That's what it's gonna be today. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'm very nervous about this, but I'm also kind of excited. All right, so that's all there is to it. Car going from A to B in less than 60 seconds, and there's going to be turns and stuff. The theme is race to win. Race to win is the theme. That's the way it goes. So I'm going to be learning some new things today, but if you want to have a leg up on learning stuff, I'd love to tell you about these Humble Bundles. It helps support the channel, and Humble Bundles are cool. So just indulge me when I tell you about this a little bit. The complete Learn to Code bundle. This is Humble Bundle stuff. You can find links in the chat or in the description box. And this is going to end in like 5 days. So by next week, this will be gone. This will no longer be available. So here's where you can support the channel. You're going to come to this bundle. You're going to hit Adjust Donation. Scroll right down here to Custom Amount. All right, and you're going to look at that. Look at all this diversion you can do to Hyper Game Dev. Super awesome. I love that Humble Bundle lets you do this. This one has all kinds of different engines that you can learn in it. It's got Unreal stuff. It's got Godot stuff. It's got Unity stuff. So if you're not sure what engine you want to go with, maybe you like a bunch of engines. Here's a Godot one. Then you will be covered with this awesome pack. And then there's some Python stuff in here. It's just a breadth of tools. It also will tell you how you can make your own AI, which is pretty awesome, or at least train your own AI. So there's a lot of really cool stuff in this bundle. It's discounted heavily. For $25, you can get all this awesome stuff. So that's that one. Use the link in the description box to help support Hyper Game Dev. If you do want to focus more on one engine, there's also this cool Unreal Engine 5 one from GameDev.tv. This one has some decals in it, some music assets, and other things, but mostly courses. Some cool courses. So if you want to really focus on Unreal Engine, I recommend this one. This one, I believe, also $25 indeed, and you'll get everything that's in that bundle. Remember to adjust the donation for Hyper Game Dev. It will help this channel tremendously if you do that. Thank you. And then finally, if you want to focus on Python, you can do that. You can focus in on Python. This is from Pact, and it will be a bunch of books. It's like very serious books. Like, this is actually amazing learning here. And this one's a little less than the others. For $18, you'll get this whole pack. And again, I have to remind you, adjust that donation for Hyper Game Dev. Thank you for able to do that. I appreciate that. Links are all in the description box. All right, y'all. That's that. Yeah, let's get developing. Let's get developing. So, let me pull this back up. I'm going to set my timer here. I'm going to set my timer. So, 49 minutes. I'm going to give myself 47 minutes. I like to set it a little lower, so that way I'm definitely ready. And I'm pressured. It just pressures me properly. And before I get started, one more thing before I get started, I need to set up my pre-submission. So here's how if you want to set up a pre-submission, if you're jamming right now and you haven't done a pre-submission, guys, you might want to do this. I'm just saying, it's going to help you. Because when this timer ends, you'll still be able to update or even upload your game. I'm just saying. So I'm going to hit submit your project. And I'm not going to worry about anything. I'm just going to hit upload game. I don't even have a game yet. That's all right. Race to win jam entry. Scroll all the way down. Save and view. Done. Pre-submitted. Now I've like reserved a spot in the game jam, and no matter what, I'll have that spot. Now here's what you need to do when you go to update it, or put your file in there. So you'll come to upload files, do all that. Make sure you set the access to public, so that way we can even find it, right? So set it to public, because it'll be a draft by default. If you are, not necessarily proud of it, or you don't want it be like searchable or whatever, hit configure settings and choose unlisted in search and browse. So this will also help, just because, we don't always make the most amazing things in a 1-hour game jam. We do impress ourselves, but that doesn't mean we want it to be out there. So that's one thing you can do. Finally, if you want to hide it from your itch page, so right now you can see it's there on my itch profile, but maybe I don't want it there. So come to edit theme on your profile, scroll down, and hit hide. Just hide that sucker, and now you can save it, and there you go, like it never even happened. But we'll still be able to see it in the Game Jam page. Okay, now I've got my pre-submission, and I'm ready to jam. Oh, it's only 45 minutes. It's a 45-minute jam for me. Oh, that's good tea. Ooh. Oh, I like that. All right. You actually experimented with the physics body stuff in 2D for the Keep Moving jam. Okay, so that gives me some help. Some hope. Hope, both. Tremendous. Since it's midnight for you, you won't submit your game, but you'll program along. I love that. All right, welcome, Jordan. Happy to hear it. Indeed, Frank, our little game dev T. So, great. Here we go. 3D scene is what I want. 45-minute jam for me. I don't even know. Let's try. Don't they have like a physics bone? What is it called? Vehicle? It's like vehicle body 3D. Okay, that gives me some hope. In terms of giving it a shape, I'm assuming we dropped that in here as a child. So, I mean, if I were to just put a box mesh in there, add some collision to that. Yeah, I think I'm going to model a car. I do think I'm going to model a car. But I'm curious to know how this behaves. So let me also add a ground in here. So I'm going to get a static body 3D. I'm going to call that the ground. And I'm going to give it a mesh. And that mesh is going to be a plane. So it's nice and flat. I mean, if I'm going to want to build a racetrack, I mean, that's not something I've ever done. This will be very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Let's make it nice and long. And then let's add some collision for it. And I'm going to want to move that vehicle up. And let's see what happens. I need a camera. Wait. First, I need a camera. Then we can see what happens. And let's put that camera somewhere we can see things. Not bad starting out there. Pull back. That's how you make a flat world. Indeed, a plane is perfect for a flat world. I couldn't agree more. I would love to play some flat games. That would be pretty fun, actually. Okay. I think we should get some lighting stuff in there. Can't see it. I mean, I'm going to make a model. Yeah, I'm going to try to make a model. I am. But let's just see what this feels like. Oh, we got to put a script on there. Hold on. So in Godot, they'll have like scripts that are automatically filled out. So if I just attach a script to this, it's not filled out. Wait, I thought it was going to be filled out. What does a vehicle body do? The physics body implements all the physics logic needed to simulate a car. It is based on the raycast vehicle system commonly found in the physics engine. Aside from a collision shape 3D for the main body of the vehicle, you must also add a vehicle wheel 3D node for each wheel. You should add a mesh instance. Okay. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. A vehicle wheel 3D. Okay. And what do we do with this documentation? This node acts as a collider to detect if the wheel is touching a surface. This class has known issues. I'm in danger. I'm in danger. What if I attach a script to this? What happens? There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. So you can get a player moving before the halfway mark and a working finish line or equivalent before the 15-minute left mark. False deadlines can help. We'll see. Yeah. No, you're right. No, that would help. I don't know. I don't know. Taking like that from someone else is new to me. We'll see if I can handle that. You can make a car in Godot. Yeah, you can. Well, and I mean, you can, but like, I kind of thought it was gonna have logic already, but it doesn't. What are we even doing with this wheel? S, what have you got me into? I don't know what a vehicle body is. You could just stick with player body or kinematic body. That's true, yeah. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do this. That's a great idea. We're burning this to the ground. Delete the vehicle wheel. I was hoping, because here's, if you do like a player node, right, it will come with a script. I'll try to take your suggestions, S, but it's hard for me to be. I like being micromanaged during the normal live streams that I do. It's harder during the game jam because my brain is so scrambled. But like normally, I actually appreciate it. Wednesdays and Thursdays. Let's see. If I say, you said there's something called a kinematic. Why don't we? Can we just do what I normally do, which is a character body 3D? I think it's what I'm gonna do. Is a character body 3D. Yeah, we're just gonna stick with what I usually do. So that's gonna be a block. Collision shape, and then this is what I meant. So if I add a script onto this, look at all this code that's already there. Look at all that code. That's what I want to see. Now it's going to be tricky because these controls don't always map well to 3D, but we'll see. Ooh, oh, I need to add the environment and the sun. So things are visible. That will help, typically. Okay, we can jump and we can move. So far it maps well. This is left, right, first, backward. I think kinematic was renamed to player or character. This might be what that is. Right, I forgot, you're in Godot 3. A little different. It's gonna be tough for me. It's gonna be tough for me, S. So, let's see. See, the thing is it doesn't really have, like, a lot of, like, physics to its movement. You know, it's, like, just going forward or not. You know, I mean, and I wouldn't even know how to, like, I could try, like, interpolating it or something, but I basically just don't even know what to do with that. So I think what's going to make the most sense is if there are obstacles. I think it's going to be, because I have to think of what's easy for me. And I think, you know what we could do is just say you fall off and die, you know? And so if I just, like, make... I'm going to get rid of, well, it's a little tough, because I have to, like, make collision for all this. But let's say I just make some pathways here, right? And you just have to, like, stay on the pathway. And so we don't have to do obstacles. The obstacles are just, like, don't fall off. Like, just don't fall off. Now, we're going to fall because I didn't add collision to this, but I think that works. Now, we need the camera to follow the player. So that's going to be something. So if I put the camera in here, Jordan got a car. Let's go. Now we can follow along with it. Now we don't have any turning, right? We don't have any turning. That's gonna be interesting. So we're gonna live with that, right? Again, we gotta keep it simple. So I'm gonna say there is no turning. And in fact, you just have to, it's almost gonna be kind of like a mobile game or something. Now, Lise, I do have to tell you, I think your idea with this collision is a problem. I think what you need to do, and I'm sorry in some ways, but I think what you need to do, I'm going to call this main up here. I'm going to add another one. I believe you need to just duplicate it. Like, it's going to be messy, but we have to. Do you have access to rigid bodies? They're like pushable static bodies. Oh, yeah, probably. Certainly. Certainly. So I would, like, put, like, a rigid body inside of here. I'm vaguely intrigued by that. I feel like this is a potential waste of time, but I'm too curious. So let's try it. I'll put the mesh inside of there, the collision inside of there. It might complain, though, that there isn't a mesh on the player body, on the character. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh, chaos. Nope, can't do it. Not gonna do it. Nope, not gonna do it. I just can't. I can't do it. Again, not inside character. Honestly, I can't do it. I can't do it. So I'm gonna do this node 3D. This is going to be track, and we're just gonna contain all the track in there. I wish I could take the instruction, but I'm just not able to do it. So we're gonna duplicate the ground multiple times, and then we'll start organizing it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I do. And so you're gonna have to just, like, make these decisions. One thing I hate about these controls is that you have to, like, pick up your finger. Like, it doesn't accept both of them at the same time. So, like, if I try to press left while I'm holding forward, it won't work. But we just have to let that go. That just has to be true. And then I'm going to duplicate this again. Now, we obviously need to deal with the colors. There's some problems here. And then we also want to say that if you fall, right, it's going to know that you fall, and it's going to make you lose. So I'm going to need something else below. So I'm going to create an area 3D, and this will be detect. Actually, we don't even have to do that. I actually set this up in my other game. What we can do is we can just say, if the player's position, so I can just set up, it'll just be checking to see the player's position. Maybe later if there's time, then there won't be. There won't be. I want to, but at the end of the day, I can't. It's like you gotta go with your own, gotta go with my own thing, you know? It's too hard. It's too hard. But maybe, probably not. Something I want to do is add a Tuesday stream where I keep working on the Game Jam game I started. That would be a perfect time to do it. But so far, I need my Tuesdays for video editing and stuff. Process. So here I'm going to say check for self position. I don't know if I'm doing this the way I thought. If self position Y is greater than, you know, I don't know, 20, then we want to restart the game, which I don't remember how to do that. So I'm going to have to look at my other project. So I'm going to pull up my other project. It's okay to borrow code. It's okay to borrow things. I'm going to be doing the art late today. I'm going to be doing the art real late. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I am. What can I say? Okay. So over here in... Did I open the same project? Did I close and open the same project? We try. We try here. Okay. Just a little do-over. It's just a little do-over. No big deal. Basically, 30 left, 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. That's all I got. That's all I got is 30 minutes. It is what it is. Godot crashed? What? What? I guess I'm waiting for Godot, am I right? So, reading from the book of Waiting for Godot, will he be able to walk, Vladimir says. Pazzo says, walk or crawl? He kicks Lucky. Up, pig! Estragon says, perhaps he's dead. Okay, it loaded. So, I want to say... On the player... Oh, we're in a different project here. In my player script... Do 35 minutes? Yeah, I set mine a little lower. But but don't remind me. Don't remind me that there's more time. I want to think that there isn't more time. It's a strategy. But yeah, you're right. There's a little more time. So in here, there should be something checking to see if we're below a certain point somewhere. I guess I don't actually know where that is in here. Where does it live? Okay, I gotta find this script that I made. There is like a game restart here. Reload. So this is the script that I need. Get tree reload. So that should be good. But while we're here, I'm just gonna search for it in the other place that it exists. Here. If fall death is set to true. Okay. Fall death. Where does that exist? Search, find in files, fall death. Where does that live? Where is that determined? Here, there it is. Fall death distance negative. It is on the character. I thought so. I thought that it would be. If self global position Y. Oh, see, this is why I knew we had to check it. This is why I knew we had to check it. Okay, copy. Because I was gonna be like, why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? Well done for beating my player moving by halfway deadline by. Oh, I did? Oh, cool. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Okay, all right. Yeah, I did it. But see, I guess the challenge for me was more like holding in my mind how I would implement that time frame. But apparently, yeah, we're okay with it. I love it. So what I was gonna do was position. But what I needed to do was global position. So I'm kind of lucky. I'm kind of lucky. We're not going to worry about any of all this. We're just going to say if it is less than or equal to 20, but we have to set it a little different than that, right? Well, no, that might be okay. If it's global position wide, that might be all right. And we don't want to do this. We want to say the reload bit. All right, that should work. So let's try it. Woof, woof. So I'm going to run off the edge. And after a short amount of time, where's my movement? I broke it. I broke the game. Why can't I move anymore? What happened? What happened to the movement? Why isn't it moving? What did I do that broke the movement? Uh-oh. That's interesting. Is it like, did I make, oh, did I do -20? There we go. I think we were stuck in an infinite reload loop. Because I didn't make it the right number. It was like, well, we're just reloading infinitely. All right, there we go. So it restarts if you go too far. Whew, we got it. Okay. Whew. All right, cool. So then we have that. So now we have a way for the game to restart. Now, if you're going to get to the end, we need like a finish line, right? So I'm going to try to get that in there. I do want to make the car model. That's going to be one of the last things I do, apparently. I'm going to make an area 3D. And this is going to be our finish line. And for that, I'm going to make it a mesh instance. We'll do another plane. I don't have a checkerboard. I don't have a checkerboard. They might, honestly, they might have a way I can sort of get a checkerboard pattern. They might. I'm sure there's like a way to kind of do it, but like I just don't know what it is personally. And I don't feel like spending the time figuring it out. But I bet you we could pull it off if I had enough gumption to do it. I'll like click around for a few more seconds. Create a new shader. Yeah, we're not gonna make a shader. Yeah, I could just get a material and spank it on there. That might be a good way to go. Why don't I try that? You know what? I'm feeling bold. I'm feeling bold. Let me go into paint. Let me go into paint. I'm gonna start a new paint so we can preserve the sanctity of our original concept. I don't really know how to make this work. And this is gonna look bad. Do you understand? Do you do understand that I promise this will look bad? Okay, just making sure everyone's on the same page as me. This will look really bad. God, this is not a modern image editing program. It's like not even. It's gonna look even worse than bad. Save it as looking for the folder Game Jam. Which one? This one. I like how I'm still labeling it as 2023. I'm still not in 2024 yet. I'm not in 2024, guys. Okay, so that looks like it got added. And then I'm gonna, can I just like, how do I don't even know how to apply the texture. Dude, I don't know how to apply a texture. I don't have a normal map. I don't have a normal map. I might be able to do standard material. Yeah, I actually don't even know how to do this, if I'm being honest. I'll look it up. I'll look it up. I will. I'm willing to spend a little time on this. Godot, how add texture image to mesh. This should be pretty simple, right? Right? Only ping texture in 3D mesh object. Select image instance. Inspector, you must also set its material or material override. Finding the albedo section? Really? It's not where I thought it would be. Oh, right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. Image texture. Got it. Done. And do I just load it like here? Yes. Yes. Okay, beautiful. And then if I want to make it behave like a tile, how's that gonna go? No idea. Okay, so there's my finish line tile right there. But if I want to make it be, it's, Liz, I love you, girl. I do. But you know it's just gonna stretch. Like, you know it's just gonna stretch, right? Like, that's all it's gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to duplicate it multiple times. And we're gonna call that our finish line. I must have spent, I'm going to be honest with you. I think I've realized that I've spent too much time on the finish line. I think I'm willing and ready to accept that that's the case. And the result is, well, it is what it is. And I'm okay with that. I love myself for it. But at least they've done it. At least they've done it. Look at all these mesh instances I'm making. This is what a 1-hour game jam will do to you. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. Okay, so if I want a collision now, I'm just going to make a collision shape 3D. We're going to give it shape a cube, a box, whatever. I've definitely misplaced everything. So that was an oopsie. I need to bring this all back over here. So it's actually, you know, nearby. And then the collision, I'll have to make quite a bit larger. I don't know if we're going to make a car today. 7 minutes to program the finish line? Yeah. Not even I mean, I haven't even been Oh, you're asking if I can take 7 minutes to program it? Maybe. You tell me. I can't manage it. I can't track where I'm at. Someday, I used to. When I was using a game engine I was more familiar with, I was able, I mean, I'm getting better with Godot, but I still have a lot to learn. And so I kind of just have to like check and be like, how much time do I have left? But yeah, maybe I might, I don't, 7 minutes. I might need a little more time. We'll see. We'll see. Because I'm going to have to make sure what is even going to happen, you know, when you cross the finish line. And I guess we do want it to be above a little bit so it sees it. To have a win condition by the 15-minute mark. Ooh, that's a pretty good goal. Thank you. That helps me a lot, actually. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So if I'm going to have a win condition, basically what I'm going to want is I'm going to want the signal from the area to go, we're just putting everything in the character body. I guess. I'm going to put it somewhere else. I don't want to put it in the character body. I'm going to put it on the main node. And then I'm also going to add a label. But see, like the time, oh my God, guys, I didn't even do a time. I forgot about the timer. Oh no, I forgot about the timer. Wait, if I want to say, because we have to stop a time. Oh, I'm in danger. If I want to stop the time, I mean, I need a time. I need a time, you know? So if I say, so here's a label. Here's a label. And I'll just put some numbers here. I don't think I'm going to get my dream of having it be within 60 seconds. I don't think I'm going to get that. I think I have to let go of that feature. I just do. I just do. Let's make this nice and large so you can see it. And I'm going to attempt to say, we're going to call this time. And I'm going to say, plus, I don't even know how to do this because that's not going to be every second because delta is every frame. So I need a timer. So I'm going to add a timer. I'm going to add a timer. Timer. I just renamed it to timer. That's where my brain is at. Let's go. we want to start. I mean, really, we can just auto start it. I don't think we need to do any of that. Just have it auto start. And it'll last 1 second. And then I'm going to get a signal, and we're going to connect it, its timeout, on here. And so every time this times out, I want it to set. We got to get the time label. You dropping me some code? Whoa. Oh, you're doing a variable? Variable would work. I don't have time for a variable. I should do a variable, but I'm gonna do time set text. Is that how we do it? Label dot text. That works? Okay. Thank you, actually. Label dot text plus equals 1. Will that work? Will that work? Is that what working could be? No. Invalid operand string and int in operator plus equals. Okay, cool. Do you want me to say string like that? Like convert it to a string? Do you want me to do that? Will that work? Let's go. Oh, you're right. We have to make it a variable. You're right. We do have to make it a variable. Okay. All right. So yeah, you're totally right. You're absolutely right. I should have listened to you. So we're going to make this time. I got to create a variable called time. Don't make it all caps. Equals 0. And then this has to actually, we have to say variable or say time plus equals 1. And then we put that in there. You were right. I should have listened to you. No. No, we want to do set text. I am right. We do want to do set text. I think that variable could just go sometimes. Yeah. So I do want to do set text, because if we don't do set text, it's going to add it on the end. Invalid operands callable in string. So maybe I don't need to do. Oh God, am I in danger? Just tell me if I'm in danger. Is it set text? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Because I needed to overwrite it. It has to overwrite what's on there. No plus equals with string. Oh my gosh, you're right. Oh my gosh, dude, you're right. Brain is hurting. Okay, cool. Yeah, you make all the sense. You're super correct. It is text, and we just say equals. Oh gosh. Okay, there we go. It's actually, I didn't know you could do that. You can add on to the end. I actually learned that just now, so that's nice. Okay, great. So there's that. So we want to say that when we get detected in this area, it needs to stop that time. Literally, that's all I really care about. So we want to say if finish is set to false, then the time updates. Otherwise it doesn't. I mean, we can even just have all of this happen if finish is false. Right? So we're going to say variable finish is set to false, and then whenever we get into the finish line, area entered, connect that to the main, and we want to say finish becomes true. Okay, almost at the 15-minute mark, if this works. I have to actually race it. This is why we have to make it a short race. A very short race. That didn't work. Oh, because I don't have an area on the player. I don't have an area on the player. We also don't have any collision on here. So I need to add an area 3D onto the player, and I'll need a second collision shape to be in there. Let's also put some collision on the finish line, some static collision. So I'm going to give it a static body. And I will just add the collision. We're gonna need to move that down a bit, maybe over a bit. It's gonna be kind of weird, and we're probably gonna clip through it, and that has to be okay. It does. Timer stop. Oh yeah, that would work too. That would make more sense. But I think this should work, right? Maybe? Maybe? Yeah, you're right, because the timer is just gonna keep going. So like performance-wise, what you're saying makes the most sense. Okay. So the time stops. We've got that. I think we are ready to build our track. I mean, I really got all the elements at this point. We got movement. It's not very fun movement. It's not dynamic movement, but it moves. Let's make the speed a little higher. Let's bump it up. Let's bump up the speed so it's maybe a little less painful. Okay, there you go. That's it. That's it. Cool, great, awesome. Now let's build. So I have many things I can do with the time I have left. I can do art and or build out the track. I think we should build out the track first and foremost. I think that's more important. I also would really, I don't like the way that these grounds look. I don't like the way that they look. Luckily in Godot, if we change one of these, it's gonna change all of them. So that should be fun. All right, Jordan, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out. Good luck with whatever you're making, and thank you for joining us. That's okay, Jordan. That's okay. I'm sure I'll see you again someday. You'll be back someday. Right? So I'm going to say, Albedo, I just wanted to have like a little bit of a road. Oh, it didn't change all of them. Okay, I thought I would change all of them. I was wrong. I was wrong. Let's just, I think, oh, because it would only change all of them if I already had a material created, but I hadn't created a material yet. So that's fine. Note to self, create a default material before you duplicate it. So they're all linked. Now if I change this one, right, they're all gonna change. Just to like, you know, see, look at that. Now I want to make it colorful. Spare 180 seconds just to try adding a rigid body as a child to main or track. A rigid body as a child. Okay, I'll do it. So to the character body, you're saying add a rigid body. And that's going to need what? Like a collision and stuff? A collision and a polygon. I guess all I need is the collision. So by just dropping that on there, it's gonna make. Oh, what is it? Look! It's flying! It's flying! Not the character. Oh, so like the mesh, like as a child of the mesh? Maybe is what you're saying? Where? Where do I put it? 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 Oh, you mean just as like an obstacle, like something else that's just in there as something to like bump into is what you're saying. I see now. I see now. You're talking about obstacles. Gotcha. Now I understand. Now I understand. Gotcha. We are on the same page. At long last. He said, not the character! No! You know, this will make it a little more interesting. I'm just gonna put one in here. Just drop one in. Yeah, it's just in there. Because S told me to. And I like S. Nice! Oh no, you had to jump over it. Oh shoot. That's interesting. And I guess you could like configure how heavy it is and stuff. Gravity scale, inertia, mass. So if I like bring its mass down, this is actually pretty fun. This is actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually pretty cool. Okay, it says it's not. Whatever. Cool. So there's an obstacle on there. Works for me. Okay, so I'm gonna build the track out. I'm gonna build the track out. And so I'm gonna need more ground. Many, many more grounds. I do want to change like the color of the character. I guess we're not doing art today. I would very much like to do art today, but I don't think it's happening. I don't think it is. But we need to have some robust track design. If nothing else. If nothing else today. There's about 10 minutes left on the clock, everybody. Just so you know, in case you're listening and you're in the middle of it, you're in the thick of it. I wonder why it doesn't push it. Like, maybe that would have been kind of cool if you could, like, bump into it or something. So now we're going to offer 2 different pathways you can take. Now, the problem is, though, probably, you should probably stack them, like, wider, because I feel like you can probably just, like, jump across that. So we should make it so it's not a jumpable distance. I might as well have a little fun with it. Got to be careful that I actually move the collision with it. Otherwise, you know, it won't. So drag it out like that. I'm going to give it even one more. So you better choose. You better choose. You better make a choice. Backseat game dev is totally fun. It is. And I'm really glad that you did it. I'm so glad you did. And it is fun. And I love doing that. So in the Wednesday and Thursday live streams, I'm working on a game in Godot. It's my first Godot game that I'm going to finish. And I deeply invite backseat development because I'm a noob and there are so many non-noobs out there who can just like help make everything better. And I've just been so appreciative. S is one of the people who come through. I actually made a credits list in a spreadsheet at the end of last week's stream. And I ranked how many credits people have. So like it's not like I'm a competition, but it allows me to see like, wow, like some people are like really contributing a lot to this project, and S, you're definitely up there. So thank you for all of that. And yeah, come through, tell me what to do, and I may not do it, or I may do it. Honestly, this track looks daunting. It looks like a lot of work to play this. I feel like this is more effort than fun, but it's something. It's something. So I guess in theory, one of these paths is like easier than the other. I should add some gaps. We gotta add some challenge in here, right? Like maybe you have to actually make a jump or something. So why does this have so many mesh instances? Oh no! I made this whole thing as duplicate mesh instances. I messed it up. I messed it up! That's okay. That's okay. That'll be fine, because we'll make a separate alternate track over here. It'll be cool. That's the thing about clicking on stuff in the scene, is then you don't like select the right node in the hierarchy, and chaos ensues. Not doing art this time has actually liberated me quite a bit, and I gotta say, I appreciate it. I'm gonna actually make this a shorter path. The challenge is you have to jump. I don't know if you can make that jump. We're gonna find out. We're definitely gonna find out. Ideally, I test it, like, now. So I'm gonna do that before it's too late. I can't make it too long, or I'm really gonna be in danger if I make it too long. Look at these like gaps. Oh gosh. It needs some music, it needs some music for sure. Oh yeah, we can totally make those jumps. I don't have capacity for music. Oh, that jump! Oh no! Can we even do that jump? I don't even know. I haven't a clue. Something that would be fun to do as well would be like slopes and stuff, but I don't even know if this thing has the capacity to go up and down slopes. But I mean, for first try at something like this, oh, you can make it! I feel pretty good about it. So, you know, that's all that matters. So then this way is different because it might take a little longer to get through it on this other side or something. Or maybe it's just like more annoying. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna promise this is a well-balanced game. It's hard to make it longer. I guess what I could do is do some rotations over here. So that's definitely gonna take a lot longer. Like, this is a huge time suck on this side. And it's super treacherous. Don't go this way. Don't go that way. You're gonna be in trouble if you go this way. Probably about 5 minutes remain, everybody, just so you know. Just so you know. It's so sloppy. It's so sloppy, but like, I'm okay with that. Thank you. I gotta give, again, more props to S for just helping me get through this one. You did help me. You're a good collaborator. Let me get the finish line moved a little bit more. Or we could stop, and I could do a little visual stuff. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. We're just gonna say this track is long enough now. It's long enough at this point. So there is gonna be kind of like a skill cap, right? Or something. Like at some point you can't do any better. You know? Let's add some more obstacles. Because you can't really go faster or slower. I mean, I could set it up so you can go. I could add a boost. We could add a boost. Maybe I should. Maybe I should use my time for that. Track is long enough. Yeah, you're right. Let's add a new button in there. I'm going to go to project settings, input map, boost. And this will be W. It will be W will be the key. So if you press W, you'll get a boost. And so we're going to say, we don't want this to be a constant. We want this to be a variable. And I want to say, if input is action, I think we could say pressed, probably. Boost. Then speed gets 6 added to it. Is actually pressed, not found input. Oh, okay. I gotta spell it right. What is that gonna do? What is that gonna do? I'm scared to do it. It didn't do it. Oh, I pressed the wrong. Oh, jeez. That goes a lot faster. Oh, man. Oh, that's rough. Oop. Okay. Oh, but it stays that way. So when we have to say else, oops, wrong one. Else speed. I know it shouldn't be capital or whatever. Speed set to 10. Exponentially increase, I think. That would be nice. I mean, that would be great if I can handle it, but I can't, so. I think I've done this terribly. We should do released. I should say, if input is action just released, boost. Then put it back to 10. I wish I had the capacity to make that work, but I don't. It's not going back. The speed isn't returning after you press it. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. It's kind of hard to tell if it's happening. Yeah, it's not. It's a permanent boost. Shouldn't it? I mean, if it say just released, shouldn't that change it? I mean, I could say minus. I'm just a little nervous about making it minus. Oh, because I'm doing set to instead of equals. That's why. That's why. I need to just straight up have it be equals. There it goes. Now it works. We got it. Okay, boost exists. And instead of 6, I'm going to make it 4. So it's a little less punishing. All right, my time is up here. How are we doing elsewhere? 1 minute and 40 seconds. That'll make it plus 6 or 10. That's fine. I can't do exponential. Like, I don't know how. It's going to be too much work for me, unfortunately. This is very uncomfortable to play. I'm going to keep it real. Ooh. Oh God, this is kind of hard. This is kind of hard. I've got a minute left. I don't really have time to add more obstacles as much as I'd like to. I don't really have time. So we're just gonna save it. That's it. There's so much more I'd like to do, but I did the best I could. So we're gonna do project export, add web, export path. I'm gonna make a folder called export, and I'm gonna call it index.html. Reminder, everybody, I don't know if I said this enough, but it does have to be playable in the browser. It has to be playable in the browser, your entry. Please, please, please make it playable in the browser. Whether it's a scratch link, that's fine. If you upload it as something playable in the browser, that's fine. Just make sure we can play it in the browser. That's the most important thing. I think I'm gonna play it. I know I'm wasting a little time, but I think I'm gonna play it. I know, I know, I know. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh geez. Oh God. I wanted to get a picture at the finish line. That's what I wanted. Oh God, dude, the boost is horrifying. The boost is so scary. It's so scary. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, it's so hard. You made a pie game project? You ended up making something, Jorn? Let's go. Okay, guys, I know I'm late. But hey, think of it this way. This means you all get extra time. This means you all get extra time. So like you're welcome. You're actually welcome. All I'm doing is I want to get a good picture. I want it. Oh! Okay, you know what? Forget the good picture. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Let me take a screenshot so I have something to upload, something to show. Can I also just fix this last thing? You guys, come on, give me the satisfaction of having this fixed. It's like overlapped and it looks bad. And I want it to be better. Oh. Okay, not oh. Whatever I thought was oh isn't. Wait, this is turning into a situation. Okay, that's better. Okay, save it. I have to export it again. Oh, I didn't think about that. I have to export it again. Export. We already saved it. Export project. Same place. Overwrite it. Okay. Come to itch. Itch isn't there. Use the last 5-10 minutes as upload time. Yeah, so that is something that in theory I would like to achieve in my life. Those are big game jam goals that I have, are to one day be capable of uploading my project within the time limit. That is a goal. But luckily, ooh, we got 6 submissions already. Let's go. Luckily, we're generous here, and it's okay. It's okay if we're a little late. But I would love to do that, to allocate time. I wish I was as like disciplined as you are. As maybe someday. Maybe someday. All right, I'm gonna upload this. So to do that, I have to make sure I jam it in here. I think it's fair you took a bit longer since you used some time to advertise. That's true. I think I say to advertise. I mean, it's important. It's one of the best ways to support this channel is those game jam ads, because this is the most watched live stream that we have, and so it really makes a big difference in keeping these game jams going. So yeah, I do have to spend time to do that. And not even that, but like, you know, also, coming up with a topic. Sometimes I got to play a late entry. There's just always something. I feel like managing a live stream and doing a game jam at the same time is, it's a thing. It's not the easiest. Okay. So I'm gonna say race to the end. Post your lowest time. Screenshots preferred. Who do I think I am? Who do I think my game is? Use the arrow keys to move, space. Let's make this easier. Arrow keys, move, space bar, jump, W, boost, or speed increase. That's what we got. Did you find the full screen checkbox? Oh yeah. I'm going to. You know what? I'm going to. I'll be darned if I'm not going to. Genre. Oh yeah, it's a racing game, baby. We got a whole genre here. We're gonna give it a noun. Jam game, baby. And then up here, we'll have the full screen option somewhere, right? Oh, I gotta set it as an HTML first. So my game type is an HTML. We've uploaded it. Right here, shared array buffer support, full screen button. Let's go. All right, save it. And let's see, oh, upload cover. We gotta get the cover image. Very important. Very important for letting everyone know what they can expect. They can expect a block. They can expect a block. Do not overwrite that, please. I almost overwrote my texture for the checkerboard, and then it could never come back to this. That would just be a disaster. Okay, I'm really done this time. How far over did I go? 5 minutes, 6 minutes, not bad. I hope that gave you all some extra time. We're about to check out the other entries. Let me see how mine turned out. How did mine turn out? You guys should be able to play it unless I made some mistakes, which is entirely possible. But I think it should work. We've got an extra button. I added an extra button. Let's go. Thank you, S, for coaching me through it. I appreciate it. It loads. We got a timer. We can move. We got obstacle with no S. We do have a little split track here. 2 different pathways you can take to get to the end. I'm afraid of the boost key. I'm very afraid of the boost key. Oh, oh my god. Oh god. This way is the long way. This is tough. Oh, that's tough. You got it, because you can't press 2 buttons at once. Oh, and it's crooked. Oof, that's it. There's no message. The timer just stops. The gameplay doesn't stop. It doesn't restart. The timer just stops. I forgot to add some way for the game to like restart. So there's that. Next time, probably, maybe. So you do have to manually reload it. It's okay. 1 hour game jam vibes. It's 1 hour game jam vibes. That timer is starting. It does not wait for you. You better be ready. And we're gonna take the shorter but more challenging path. Oh, dude, jumping is so hard. Thank you, Davi. I appreciate it. Welcome. Can you restart by jumping off? Oh yeah, true. Yeah, just jump off to restart. You don't need no non-auto start timer. If you just jump off and then it restarts. And if you lose or win, or rather if you win and you get to the end, and just run off the edge, just suicide. That's all you gotta do and you'll be fine. Oh, dude, jumping while boosting is not a thing. Like, I don't think you can do that. Which is weird because I feel like in a lot of games, boosting and jumping is like a thing. But I can't do it. I die every time. Oh, it's too hard. But I can see the speedrun potential. You saw how fast that was. There's got to be some way to like game it and cheese it so you can just like boost to the end. I bet you there's a way to do it. But I don't know what it is. I think I got like 30 something last time. 15. Okay, that's the superior way to go. Can I do better than 15? Wait, I gotta give my game a chance. This is one of the more fun ones I feel like I've made. Wait, so if you jump and you boost, jump, boost, you can like skip whole parts of the track. There's a strategy here, guys. Jump, boot. Okay, hold on. Jump, boot. But you have to let go. It's actually very difficult. It's very difficult. Boost, land, maybe that was good. Jump, boost. So it would be better if it was exponential, but we didn't have no time for exponential. Oh, it's hard to like guesstimate where you're gonna land, unfortunately. So like, I don't know, can anybody beat 15 seconds in this racing game? Oh, I can! 7! Dude, I like kind of made a game. This is like kind of an actual game. It's not like well made, but it is playable, and there's like skill you can put into this. Reminds me of that online game called Run. Really? That's exciting. I take that as good news. Okay, 7 seconds. I think that's the best I can actually do. I think 7 seconds is the best I can actually do. I'm gonna start. I should have taken a screenshot. I should have taken a screenshot so I can put it in the comments. I'm gonna do it. So we're just gonna try to get my 7-second record or beat it, and then we're gonna check out the other entries because I'm actually kind of enjoying this challenge right now. This is the most enjoyable game. Oh, 5 seconds! Dude, the other path is useless. Forget the other path, man. The other path is garbage. Total garbage. All right, so I'm gonna screenshot that. I am gonna post it in the comments. I'm gonna. High score. I said, what am I gonna ask other people to do it, but not do it myself? I'm not a monster. Bum 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 bum. Dum dum dum. Upload it. Upload it. So let me see your guys' high scores. Why does that say 7? No, 5. Oh, that's the No, it's better. I've better than that. And that's also not the end. This would be an embarrassing thing to post. This would be disqualifying in so many ways. There it is. There's the high score. There's your game. We're gonna check it out. If hopefully you submitted to itch. If not, that's all right. We'll sort it out. That's my high score. 5 seconds. Can you beat my high score? If you want to find this game and all the other games that I'm just about to check out, head to the link in the description box, jump into the submissions page, and see what awesome things people have submitted. And hopefully, Jorn, hopefully you can find a way to put it on the itch so that way everyone can find it. So I don't know if you did or not. Let's find out if you did or not. And if you did not, then I'm going to recommend you at least put it in the community. So let's see our submissions. We got some submissions. Willow Flame in the house, Dark Rosen, Felipe, and Timothy Tomato, and Eroxxie, of course. Come over to the community tab, Jorn. Post it in here. Post it in there. So if it's a repo, so I need to be able to play it in the browser. I can't download it. It has to be HTML based, unfortunately. I can play it later, and then we can check it out next week, but that's a main rule, is it does have to be playable in the browser. So if it's like a repo, we might have a problem. I'll have to add a timer like yours next time I participate. Dude, I'm so lucky it worked out. I'm so proud. I feel so good. I feel like I'm really happy with it. It's not beautiful, but it works. All right, y'all. Let's check out the entries. Jordan, please remember what I said. I would love to see what you did, but I can't download stuff. Yeah, make an account. So if you need to, you can zip up your game. Make sure there's an index.html. I don't know if you know how to, I don't know if what you use to make it can be exported. I'm not really sure. I hope you can figure it out so we can check it out. But you have all the time that it takes me to play through these, all right? You added music with your extra time. Good, good. If they can't do HTML, perhaps they could make a video. That's true too. Yeah, we can watch a video of it. That could work. All right. Does anybody want to go first? I'm just going to pick one randomly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do, I'm going to do Willow Flames first. But let me know if you want to go next, all right? They can put a short video to Discord. That's true. Yeah, so S will help you problem solve it if we got to. We'll get there. All right, this one's from Willow Flame. It's called Give Me Bread. Give me bread! You're ducky, and you're hungry. Race to the bread the fastest to win. Don't worry, this is magical safe bread that's okay for duckies to eat. Controls, red ducky. Ooh, versus the blue ducky. Whoa, we have 2 different ones. So, whoa, so we're going to use the arrow keys to control the red, and then WASD to control the blue. Interesting. All right, I like where this is going. Let me... Wait, I thought I zoomed in. And then it was telling me that I didn't zoom in? Okay, that's interesting. No, that's interesting. I'm going to get rid of the itch stuff in the top corner because it's distracting and nobody wants to see that. All right, here we go. This is from Willow Flame. Give me bread. And we're going to be using 2 different control schemes here at the same time. At the same time, mind you. Okay. Oh, look at this character, like, on the beach. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's like it's a co-op. It's like 2 people playing. So you would, like, get someone to play with you. Dude, I think my partner just walked out. I think my partner just left. I think I can convince my partner to come join us. We're gonna come back to this game so we can play a 2-player. Oh no, wait, they're ready. Wait, we're gonna play this right. We're gonna play this correctly, y'all. We don't mess around here. We do it right. Yeah, will you play? Okay, sweet. So here's the game. This is my partner, everybody. Let's see. Let me scooch this way. This is my partner, everybody. What's up? And we're gonna play this game. It is a co-op game. Dude, it's straight up a co-op game. So here's what it is. We have two ducks.
Okay.
And you're gonna control it with the arrow keys. And I'm gonna control with the other ones. It's co-op stream time, y'all. For real. We doing it. We doing it. Thank you for being so ready to do this.
I just happen to be.
Worked out. All right, so you're the red duck, and I'm the blue one.
Okay.
And it looks like these are changing. So I think
we have to like keep up with it?
I think we do. So that's gonna be, yeah, who's gonna win? So whenever you're ready, let's get it going. D, W, S. Oh, wow. I didn't even realize that. Oh my God, don't use that.
Sorry.
We don't cuss here.
Sorry.
We don't cuss here.
Oh, I keep thinking the arrow down is a V.
You're gonna lose if you keep...
Well...
I can't believe you cussed.
Sorry. I don't know your rules.
I know. It's fair. It's nice enough that you even showed up, so we're good. It's a family-friendly stream. I'm gonna win. Like, you're gonna lose. How do you feel about that?
I feel upset.
I win! I win! Victory is mine! Okay, no, you get a redo. You get a redo.
Oh, okay.
Best 2 out of 3.
Thank you.
All right. Best 2 out of 3. You
Okay.
ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, no, we're gonna do it on 3, okay? 1.
Restart. We gotta restart it. It's not fair.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Right. 1, 2.
Well, you... Fine, I don't even care. I'll beat you anyway.
No, you will.
I'll beat you anyway.
Equity.
Go, 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 go. Oh, jeez. I love this mechanic.
Yeah.
With the switching.
I know. Makes me use my brain.
It does. Your brain deserves it.
My little curled up.
Oh, I win again. 2 out of 3. Are you doing it good? You want to do 3 out of 5?
No.
Thank you.
If you want to, but
No. You've been good enough to come join us. So thank you for that. My partner, everybody.
Everyone can see me in Chicago.
All right. I had to use the letter V as I couldn't get the down arrow symbol to work. It happens. Well, hopefully that was helpful to see what the gameplay feels.
That was awesome and super fun.
Yeah, it was super fun. It was super fun. Awesome work, Willow. I love that it changes. I'm gonna see if I can race the 2 of them. And what happens if I'm one person racing 2. Yeah, Jorn, let's do yours next. So you said it's posted up there in the Discord? As like, is it like a video? Oh, dude, this is, okay, doing 2 at once is rough. Oh, this is rough. This is not easy. I can't speak for them, but I will go ahead and say that you're welcome. Yeah, it worked out that they ended up being available. Okay. Ooh, my microphone wasn't really tuned for 2 people, so I think the volume was a little off. Go, 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 go. Oh, this is hard. This is like ridiculously hard with one person. But it's really, I love that. When you said it was like WASD and arrow keys, I expected that it was going to be like, you know, you move around up, down, left, and right. It's really cool that it ended up being like shifting through the different ones. Like, very awesome mechanic. And I love it. I mean, the art is adorable. Like, the art is adorable, of course. The bread is even happy to be sacrificing itself to the ducks. The ducks have bow ties. They have bow ties. Like, you have such a creative, a subtly creative style, you know? I love it. It is a cool game, and like this shirt. This looks like a shirt that you would like get as a kid or something, you know. And you like remembered that one time you went to the beach with your family and you got this cool shirt. Like there's so much nice design choices here, even though it's so simple. It really conveys something cool, and I just love that about your work, Willow. So awesome work. Very well done. Duck. Super duck. All right, so that was from Willow Flame. You can check this out. It's called Give Me Bread. Link is in the description to the itch stuff. Now, I do see you put this on Discord. I'll add it to the community. Oh, is it here? Here it is. There we go. We got it on the community page. Let's go. So you guys can access this next one we're about to play by J. Jorn. It's not a repo. It's an REPL. It's an REPL. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. That's some coding stuff that I just don't know. Look at this. We got a whole page. We can play it in the browser. Let's go. We get to look at the code. Wow. So wait. We're gonna play code? No. How do I play it? How do I play it? I see we got a nice car picture here. That's promising. Maybe I open... How do I play it? I've never used something like this. Yeah, Willow Flame, you deserve it. You made some awesome stuff today. Thank you for doing it. Thank you. You're most welcome. All right, we gotta wait. Jordan's figuring it out. I can only wait so long. I'm impatient. While we're waiting, though, by the way, if you haven't yet, Hyper Smash that thumbs up button. Hyper Smash that thumbs up button. It's really easy to do. I see we got 11 people here right now and 11 likes, so we're actually doing fine. But maybe someone left and you came and you haven't thumbed it up yet. So remember, smash that thumbs up. Why? Because it means more people will see these awesome games everybody made, and this live stream will be recommended more after we go live. So right now, more people will come and see me play these games, but you know what else? After the live stream is done, more people will see these games. So it's kind of helpful. It actually really helps. Thank you guys for doing that. I really appreciate it. Smash that thumbs up. Ding, 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 ding. Thank you guys. It's a dress I've wanted for years, so I decided to draw it. No idea if it exists or not. Oh, cool. Wow, I love that. I love that you've imagined a dress that you want. And like, it's like in your mind's eye. You have an amazing imagination, clearly. I've never like imagined something. I've never like imagined something that I wanted to have to wear. That's really cool to like hear some background on it. All right, Jordan, I'm gonna check out someone else's entry. I know you have to go soon, but I'm gonna check out someone else's entry while you figure it out. Don't worry, it's all good. Take your time, but I do have to, I gotta keep it moving because there's a lot of other entries. Yeah, it's a really, really, really cute dress, for sure, 100%. I hope, if it doesn't exist, I bet you can make it. I bet you can make it. You're creative. I bet you can make it. All right. So, let's check the other submissions. Let's do, I'm just randomly picking here, Felipe's. I don't know. I just picked one. Race is win. Race is win. What more is there to say? Race is win. You're most welcome, Willow. It's a pleasure and an honor. This one's from Felipe. The controls are movement arrows. That's it. That's all we gotta know. Nothing more to it than that. All right, let's get rid of the itch stuff for at least the first playthrough. And let's check it out. Oh, it's got full screen. Let's go. Nice. Whoa. Oh, whoa. This feels like, we got rotation. Felipe got rotation in here. And we have laps. One of your hobbies is sewing. Yes, please do. Please do. You deserve to use your skills creatively. I like how I say please, like I'm gonna benefit from it. But I will, because it'll mean it's a happier, better Willow Flame. Dude, this is chaos. This is chaos, but I like it. Okay, we can get the hang of it. This is a cool race. I've done minimal sewing in my life, Willow, and I didn't particularly enjoy doing it, but I did enjoy the results of doing it. Yeah, this is a really, really nice racer. Don't think there's a way to play it without making an account, but I gotta go fix it tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so here's the thing, Jordan. We're gonna check out your entry next week at the top of the show, all right? Next week at the top of the game jam, we're gonna play your game. So don't you worry. I promise you'll get your glory. We know you made something. Does it count if you go the wrong way around? Oh, you know we gotta check. You know we have to check. You know we gotta check. It's a game dev thing. It's just a game dev thing. Right? Like, did you manage to... They did. Look, they accounted for it. I can't do it. Wonder how far back I can go. I'm so sorry, Felipe, that I'm so bad at, that I would do this. But maybe it's this checkpoint, too. Maybe you have to at least hit that checkpoint, which is halfway. At which point, you might as well just race it normally. It's actually genius to require that you hit a checkpoint in order for you to do it. Now, I wonder, another way you could do it is you could say that if it detects that you've gone backwards, there we go, that did work. If you've gone backwards, then like crossing the finish line doesn't work. All right, so you guys know what I have to do, right? I'm gonna have to add in a timer here so I can speedrun it, because you know I like to do that. Really nice design, by the way. I love the color scheme. The colors are awesome. Like, it's very, like, it's giving, like, AstroTurf or something, you know? It's amazing that you had time to make it harder for players to cheat. True! True, right. It does take that into consideration. I mean, lapse stuff in general. I think I broke it. I think in doing all of that, I did also break it, which I deserve. I deserve that punishment for trying to cheat. But you know, when you're doing a game with lapse, yeah, it does add some extra consideration. So I'm like extremely impressed that they even tried to do a game with lapse and they pulled it off. Uh, Super impressive. I'm gonna add a timer in here and see how long I can do it. That's basically what I did, but way better than I ever could. Yeah, I hear you. And that's the thing. Like so many of these entries blow me away. Like I don't know that I necessarily think I could never do it as well as some of these folks, but definitely not yet. Maybe someday we can live up to these standards. I bet 30 seconds is possible. Whoa. All right, let's set a 30 seconds goal. Let's set a 30 seconds goal. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna put it in the center. And I love these boxes too. Like there's just a really nice like design going on here. It feels like a proper racetrack. And that's really impressive. Okay. Timer, begin. Go, 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 go. Cut those corners. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, the bumping. We gotta be really careful. Really careful. Go, 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 go. You might be right. That was a little over 10 seconds. But like, I didn't do an optimal run there. So I think you might be right. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. So not 30 seconds, but certainly under 40. Right? Right. Don't mess it up. Bam! 36 seconds. Let's go. All right, now you've got me thinking about that 30 seconds though. Now you've got me thinking about that 30 seconds. What can you guys do? Can you guys do better than 36 seconds or get 30 seconds? This game is available to play as far as I know on the submissions page, so make sure you check it out. The link is in the description, of course. Here we go. Oh, okay, I lost like a second there, so we'll shave a second off for me. Do 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 do. Go 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 go. You gotta really, honestly, like I can be kind of methodical about it. If I like really press my keys at the right times. Uh-oh. Oh, what did I do? I don't know. I messed it up. I made mistakes. It's okay. Mistakes happen. Can I do at least better than 36? Oh yeah, improvement. Improvement. 25 is probably possible if you play optimally. Yeah, okay, let me give it at least one more try. We're going for a more optimized run. Because I feel like you can really just press in just the right times and you'll do a predictable thing. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, all right, all right, here we go. Do, 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 do. Yep, yep. Just press it a couple times. Not too many times there. That's a lot of presses. I forgot to start the timer. We gotta redo it. Oops. Oops. You know, perfection. This is not a theme of this game jam. Okay, here we go. Start. Go. Do do do. Turn. I didn't like that last run anyway. Yeah. I needed a better run. I would love to know if you guys can get these scores that Dark Rosen is predicting. Because, like, the movement is actually very precise, which I think is really impressive. Oh, oh no! Oh, God! Come on, 30 seconds, 30 seconds! Yeah! 29! 29! It was that 29. I can prove it if you watch the video back. Okay, sweet. Nice. Cool! I love that the controls feel so tight and potentially precise. Like really, really awesome work at that. That is like extremely impressive. And again, I love the design. Look at these little like grass lumps here. It just adds so much to it. Even the checker around the edges, like there's like a little checker around, let me zoom in and not make it go away. There's a little checker around the edges. It's just really impressive. You got 25? Nice! Dark Rosen got 25! Look at these little checkers. It's just like really subtle things that just pull it together in a super, super nice way. Even the car. Look at that car. Awesome work. However you pulled it together. You know, sometimes, you know, you might if you got these assets from somewhere else, honestly, good job. If you didn't, good job. Even like the numbers, right? Like they kind of fit the overall theme of it. Even look the text in itch. It fits. These little touches, I just admire them so much. Thanks for the awesome submission, Felipe. Race is Win is the name of that one. Super, super good one. And you guys can play it. If you head to the link in the description box and go to the submissions page, you'll find this game. All right. Next, did someone call next? We got Dark Rosen around. We could do Dark Rosen next. We could do Eroxxie next. I don't remember if anyone called next. Let's do Eroxxie next. Unless Dark Rose, did Dark Rose? Why do I think somebody called it? I don't know. It's hard to remember. You know, maybe someday I should have a queue that you guys can like join in on. All right, this is Eroxxie's entry called PC Race. Oh my gosh, it has a Windows logo. It's got a whole Windows logo on it. Literally PC Race. Controls mouse. You are the PC mouse. Oh, nice. Trying to get to Game Maker while avoiding the sticky notes. Press the start button. Nice. Because it's like Windows with the start button. Nice. To begin, if you touch the sticky notes, you lose the race. You were 15 minutes late, so this is what you're able to do. All right, very good. I love it. Let's check it out. The theming on this one seems very nice. I like it because it sounds like a limitation that you had was time, right? And so by making the mouse be the character, you can kind of save yourself a little bit of trouble, right? And so then you're going to not only do that, trying to get rid of the itch stuff. Not only do you get to do that, but you take that mouse concept and you actually build it into the game theme, right? So you're limited by time, so you just have the mouse be the character. And then you build on the mouse being the character by having it be actually like PC themed. I think that's actually really clever, you know? It is a really cool idea. Like, it works really well for the limitation that you have. This game idea is really cool. I love the idea of the sticky notes. Also, the game looks awesome. I know, right? Roxy says, I tried to play around with the word win, like Windows. Nice. Nice. Let's zoom it out a little bit. Eroxxie's, something else I noticed about Eroxxie's games is they're always like at like an interesting resolution. Or like a square or something. This reminds me of my first Pygame game. Nice. Look at these like little like, I love this. I love everything about it. All right, S, thank you for helping me earlier. Good night. Thank you so much. And we got to get here to the Game Maker logo. Here we go. Start. Do 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 do. This is fine. I can do this. I'm not in trouble. We'll be just fine. I'm not gonna bump. Oh, 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 shoot. It like flashed and then my time went away. A funny idea would be a game that changes resolution. That would be really interesting. Have you seen, somebody is working on a game, I can't remember what it's called, but it's made in Godot, and like there's a bunch of like windows that pop up, and like you can move across the windows. Does anybody know what that game is? It's so awesome. The other desktop icons are cheering for you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I believe in me too. We can do this. We can do this. I believe in myself. Here we go. Start. Go. Be careful. It's very sensitive. We have to be careful. We don't want to get stuck. on the sticky notes. Oh, right there. Right there. That's where I died last time, too. And it narrows right there really badly. Okay, here we go. Do, 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 do. Moving along, moving along. Nice aesthetic on the icons as well. Like, I would guess you found these icons somewhere. But, like, I feel like you worked with the aesthetic, too. Oh, yeah. Win 10.89. Oh, what can we do? Maybe we could... I wonder if I could do, like, 6 seconds? I gotta say, I like that the start is, like, stretched a little bit. I don't know. It adds to the campiness. This is very camp. You didn't draw the icons yourself. Didn't have time for that. Understandable. I like how 15 minutes made all the difference. Go, 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 go. This is a highly respectable entry, Eroxxie. Whoop, 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 whoop. Did I win? Oh, I went past the logo. That would have been less than 6 seconds. Or 7 seconds. Here we go. Boom. Oh. Okay, maybe I should be careful in the beginning, but not too careful. This is not necessarily an easy thing to put together. By the way. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Go, 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 go. Oh, I'm sloppy. You know why? Because I'm so determined to be faster. I'm like throwing caution to the wind. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's tough. It's tough. Because it's so like... It's so tempting to just move wherever I want to move. Controlling the mouse is a tricky one. Okay, 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 okay. You're almost there. Boom! Dude. I'm gonna go for 5 seconds. I'm not saying it's going to be under 5 seconds, but I think I can get within 5 seconds. We got 6 seconds. I wonder how you guys can do. They're all race. They're all competitive. They're all potentially competitive this time around. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, shoot. Shoot, dang it. I'm going to post my scores in the comment section of this video. And you know what? I'm not going to say that you should too if you're watching this after the live stream ends. Thanks for checking in and watching this far into the stream. I appreciate it. The devs appreciate it. Go, 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 go. Oh! But if you are here, let us know that you made it this far. And you can even just say, I didn't get any scores. Just say I didn't get any scores, and I'll know you watched this. But if you did get some scores, I would love to know. Oh, under 6. Nice. Ooh, it's like a touch and feel. I like getting better at it. Okay, one more try. Oh, shoot. One more try. Here we go. And honestly, your course design is really nice because it suits the gameplay. Oh. Dude, maybe I could get under 5 seconds. Because I'm just like, you know, snaking in and out and like moving around. It fits it well. And with the turns and stuff, it just like, it feels good with the mouse. Yeah, thanks, Dark. One more try. One more try. Here we go. Oh, I got too ambitious. Sub 5 seems possible. It does seem possible. One technique I'm using is like stopping at the end of like right before a turn instead of trying to blend it. Oh, dang. I don't want to stop too much, but like I pick up my finger. I'm using a touchpad. So that strategy might be different. Oh, I need to start over. That strategy might be different if you're using a different mouse. Okay, maybe I've hit my peak. I think I'm plateauing. I think I might have gotten as good as I can get. Let's be honest. This isn't a plateau. This is a downhill. It's only downhill from here. No, it's because I'm trying some new techniques to hit that sub 5. Go, 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 go. Aw. And it's kind of like a tracing game a little bit as well. Guys, I don't think I can do it. I can if I let myself be slow. Oh! Champion! Champion! Freaking champion! That's me. Hyper Game Dev, Lee's champion. Let's go. Sub 5. Blammo. That was fun. Nice one, Eroxxie. Love the design, and I love the theme of it. Thank you for sharing it. Thank you for trying, even though you didn't have that 15 minutes, that glorious 15 minutes. Sub 3. Now, come on. You just made me open my start menu, my real start menu. Come on now. You're gonna make me tempted. Don't you tempt me. We got other entries to check out. You're probably right, though. Can you do it? Can you do it? If you can, let us know. I'm very curious, because these are all very competable. All right, we have Dark Rosen. Let's do Dark Rosens next, and then we'll do Timothy Tomatoes. Timothy has a wonderful caption on here. It's fair. Totally. Dark Rosen with Horse Run. It's a horse run. Whoa. Look at these sprites. Dude, these sprites are awesome. Really nice, like, representation of, like, the things that, like, go around, like, their necks, you know? Or the, like, numbers. Just like a pixel. Boom. That's all you need. Eroxxie says, if anyone wants to do more game jamming. Oh, that's true. Yes. Eroxxie is doing a game jam. We gotta plug that. Eroxxie is someone we have so much gratitude for coming through these streams and joining in these jams. Link is in the chat. I'll make sure it's in the description as well. Check it out. That's Eroxxie's game jam. And pretty much the way that it works is you will submit an entry based on what you generate here. And then it'll give you a prompt. So you can re-roll these. Healthcare, desert, dwarfs. So this is a really cool jam. Go check it out, guys. The link is in the chat and the description box. Let's get over to Dark Rosen's game. Another attempt at the Hyper 1-hour game jam, a fun horse racing game based on those arcade games from the past. You have to press space as fast as you can to speed your horse to the end and win. Oh, so it's like a one-button tapping game. Gotcha. We can't hold it down, though. It's definitely not going to let us hold it down. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, don't press the spacebar outside of it. Oh, okay. All right. I kind of feel like letting them look. I let them catch up. Look, I'm gonna let them catch up. I'm gonna let them catch up. They wanna compete. They deserve to feel like they can compete. So I'm just gonna let them catch up a little bit and then crush them. Okay, stop. I like how we're just like, we are the superstar. We are the fastest among horses. The others don't even stand a chance. But look, I like how they do actually go like faster or slower between them. That's pretty cool. Okay. I'm trying to position my microphone so the spacebar is less loud. It doesn't really matter, but like, what if I can do it? Like, what if I can? Hey! There we go. Okay. Spam. Now, I like that it doesn't show you your time. And I'm guessing it will at the end. Fast enough. Oh, it doesn't. So we have to time it. Okay, let's bring it in. I thought maybe it was going to show you the timer in there. Seems like I missed delta time somewhere. Okay. That happens. Oh, so you're saying that, like, on your computer, the horses that you're competing against are a lot faster. Interesting. All right, I'm going to time it. I'm going to see how quickly I can do it. I think you're just going to have to hear my space bar. I'm sorry. Get ready. Hopefully it won't break, but it is going to be loud. Here we go. Go. Span. Go. Oh God! It thought I was holding it. So I can't tap it. I have to tap it like very carefully. Like I have to make sure my taps don't overlap, or else I'll actually go slower. Because it's got like a prevention thing in there. I've got like a method I'm doing here. Have you ever seen like the competitive Tetris players? Boom, 43 seconds. You said you do yours in 20 seconds? What? What the what? 20 seconds? That's actually a bit scary if you can do that in 20 seconds. Like, I'm worried for you. For your keyboard, for your mental health. I kind of want to show you my tapping technique. Is that wrong of me? Should I not do that? I think I should show you my tapping technique. Because I believe I can. I believe I actually can. Wait, we gotta switch to the other camera. There we go. Let's go. Tapping technique unlocked. Let's do it. Okay. Here we go. No problem. This just worked out that I can do this. It just worked out. So we might as well. All right. I got to beat 45 seconds. Here we go. You said 20 seconds? That's fast. That's dang fast. Here we go. Oh. Okay, false start. Play, go. So I'm trying not to overlap, right? Because if I overlap, we stop. But I also want it to be fast. Your space key isn't very clickable. I'm gonna beat my time at least. I like how my camera is glitching out and there's like two arms. It's scary. It's actually scary. Don't nobody need to see that. Okay. That was good. I think we can do better. I think we can do better than that. So I'm going to try. There's a game over screen if you are somehow slower. I want to see it. I want to see it, but it's going to take so long. We're going to have to wait so long. That was 36 to 37. Do you think I can get 30 seconds? Maybe that's a little over ambitious. I don't know. But I kind of want to try. We can't try too much. I can only try so much. But I kind of want to try. I want to see what we can do. All right. Let's do this. You think 25? You think I can do 25? There's no way. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, start over. I gotta make sure I click in there. Click. Cannot overlap my taps. Honestly, ideally, it's smooth. I'm having a bad run. I'm having a bad run. It's just not smooth. It's not smooth. Love that the game says fast enough when you finish. That is funny. Like, you were fast enough. Go, 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 go. Oh, dude, there's no way I get 25. I don't even think I'm going to get 30. Dude, I got to redo it. I'm doing a do-over. I got to do a do-over. Dude, the horses are so good. The art is amazing in this. I do want to say. Like the colors are really nice. I like that you got the lines on the racetrack. Like that really adds to it. I'm obsessed with just putting like a single pixel on their chest. I think that's like a really clever way to represent a racehorse. Okay, here we go. Come on, this is the one. Smooth. It's gotta be smooth. I gotta like pick up my fingers. 25, dude. 25 seems so hard. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm not gonna get 30. I'm not gonna get 30. Dang, I got the same score. I think that's as fast as I can do it. I think that's as fast as I can do it. 35, 36. All right, one more try. One more try. One more, like, serious speedrun try. Ooh, my fingers. Oh, they're getting... I wonder if I should try a different technique or something. Like, maybe I should do something like this. You know? Or, like... You did my game in 1 second? Nice, Rosen. There's definitely that possibility. That makes me feel like I should have put, like fractions of a second next time. I'm trying to, like, I'm just trying to develop a strategy here. It's, like, not easy. Post it in the comments of the project. This is hard. I don't think any of those strategies I tried are gonna work. So I'm just gonna give it one last regular old try. One last just regular old try. Here we go. Oh God, this isn't a good run. I gotta do it over. It's not a good run. Guys, it matters. It matters. Okay. For real last try. Doesn't even matter if I don't do well. Oh no! Oh no! I said for real. I can't go back on for real. Otherwise, I'm a total fake. Go, 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 go. Man, oh man. Oh man, worst run yet. Okay, not the worst one, but oh wait, maybe it is the worst one. It's hard. It's hard, but it's definitely fun. You did good work here. You did good work here. I love the colors. Very bright, very vivid. We have these nice fences with the pickets and everything. Like, you did some good things here. You, like, got a bunch of different elements together. And I hope you're proud of that, because it looks nice. It looks nice. It plays well. Look at those nice pickets. There's some nice pickets on those fences. Gotta love the horses. It's also fun to note that the enemy horses change label color every round. Oh, that is important to note. There's music? I didn't know there was music. I didn't know there was music. Oh, there is music! Guys, there was music the whole time. Yes! I do like the music! Did not know we had music. I apologize. I feel like you even said there was music, but I just totally forgot. I completely forgot. I like that, like percussion sound. Music makes it twice as good. Music makes it twice as good. Nice. My 2 cents. I've let Rosen down. We have to play at least 1 round. I know I said that was the last one. That was the last one where I try to race. This is one where I just do it so we can appreciate things. You're having rice with oranges now. Very nice and juicy. I like that combo. Rice and oranges. I do see that the labels on the horses are different colors as well. I'll make sure we end the stream with this music. We'll have this music play us out at the end of the stream. That's my apology for not having that ready. And look, they're different. Very nice work, Dark Rosen. Thanks for making sure we don't miss some of the nice things that you got added in there. All right, we've got 1 more entry left. 1 more entry left. This one... Oh, wait. Where did this one from My 2 Cents come from? What? We got 2 more entries. Let's go. Surprise entry. Let's go. We're going to check out Timothy Tomatoes. Totally fair. Guys, this one is totally fair, all right? You don't have to worry. It's totally fair, okay? Don't worry. And it's a racing game. I had to refresh to see it. Well, I'm glad. I'm glad. How do they get it in? I mean, it could be that it wasn't visible or something, and or I hadn't refreshed that page in apparently a very long time. It was like submitted a little bit after I looked at it. But it could be that it was like unlisted or like not visible, like a draft, and then they made it public like a little later, is probably how. This is a totally fair and ordinary racing game. Okay, so I'm not going to prepare myself for anything too exciting, too, out there. It's just fair and ordinary. No advantage for the opponent at all. Good. I'm glad that there isn't, because if there was, that would be really unfair. Made in 1 hour for the 1 hour game jam. Controls A and D or arrow keys to move, reload to restart. Didn't have time to implement that in the game. Fair point. Honestly, same, usually. So, all good. We got a full screen. Let's go. I'm going to play this really fair game. It's nice, because sometimes you go into these games people make, and I'm thinking to myself, I don't know if they're going to be fair or not, But this one, I get to be aware ahead of time that it will be fair, which is really nice. It was private as a draft. Okay, I lost. Fair and square. I'm sure I lost fair and square. No pun intended, since there's a lot of squares. Oh! Wait a minute. The opponent doesn't have any blocks to dodge. That's not fair. Wait. Was this being sarcastic? I lost already. Oh my gosh. And the blocks randomly spawn in. And they can spawn right on front of you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So, you got me, Timothy. You got me. Okay. So it's not fair. It's completely, deeply unfair. Okay. Cool. That's... Red is... You guys don't... I'll believe anything you tell me. Just move faster. Okay. Yeah, I'll just be faster. It's quick. It's a very quick game. Oh, God. Oh, God. Shoot. Oh, frick. Oh, man. Oh, come on. Oh, man. We got the rage game. Totally fair. Yeah, I love it. It's lovable. So being serious for a second, I actually do admire the challenge quite a lot. Because it's such a specific, aggressive challenge, and I'm kind of excited to dive into it and find out whether this is gonna be the run. Okay, here we go. Oh, shoot, I gotta click on it. Shoot, frickin' shoot! Dang it! I didn't get anything. Can you go over to red side? Oh, good idea. If you think this is a rage game, wait till you play my entry. My 2 cents. What have you brought upon us? What have you... It's like, I swear you guys, I can't like move it first. Let me make sure I've clicked in there. Okay. Oh my God. I think when I click the full screen button, it doesn't count as me being in the game. What? Why does it need my mouse to be hovering over it or something? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm getting lucky. I'm lucky. Oh God, I don't think I can go over to red side. Oh my God. Wait, can you win? Can you win? Dude, this is hard. I'm not gonna make it full screen anymore. I can't. We can't get rid of the itch stuff. It's just gonna have to be there because this is too much. This is too much to do every time. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, fudge. Delicious fudge dropped on the floor because somebody was careless. And now it's got all kinds of junk on it nobody wants. Oh, gosh. I can't go faster. I can't go faster. I can't go faster. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. And you just get pushed back. I love that mechanic. So it's like whenever you collide with... Oh, geez. Oh, frame rate drops. Working in my favor. It's like generating too much. It's generating so much the game slows down. So there probably isn't a finish line. So I think it's a survival game. So I'm just going to see how long I can last. That's the way we're going to play this. It's going to be tricky to set the timer, but we got to do. Play, go. So, oh God, it's going to be really tricky to set the timer. Oh God, oh shoot. Dang, Timothy. 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 Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. Can't go to the other side. Can't go to the other side. This game makes me feel crazy. This game makes me feel crazy, dude. Can't go to the other side. Can't speed up. Oh, man. 6 seconds? 6 seconds? Approximately? So you want to get as high a time as possible for this one. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I think I got maybe 6, 7 seconds there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a good one. I'm doing good here. Oh, I forgot to press play. I forgot to do the timer. Wow. Wow. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. Oh, 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Play again. Go. Get it. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's slowing down. This is the sweet spot. You want to get to the point where the frames start dropping because then you have a better chance. I forgot to start the timer. I didn't start the timer. You managed to clip into the side of the wall for a few seconds. Nice. Nice, Rosen. I mean, a game like this, if we're going to play a game that is intentionally unfair, we might as well cheat. You know? Like, I feel like that makes it all the more fair. I also think it's hilarious that there is, like, another player there. Like, at all. Like, you could just make this game without a second player and everything would be fine. Like, it would still work. Nothing would be different. It's just that now that there's a second player, it just feels more unfair. It just feels, it's like a joke, and I love it. I'm here for it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Man. Like, maybe I've gotten more than 8 seconds when the frame rate dropped. And then you have to ask yourself, well, if the timer isn't dropping frames, then it's not really a true time. But it is, because this is the game that we're given. This is the game that's been baked in, and so it's the one that we're competing with. Okay. Good. Frame rate drop. Oh, we're still in it. We're still in it. Oh, baby. Let's go. Oh, God. It doesn't receive my input as readily. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, man, we're killing it. All-time high score. Let's do it. Look at it's like folding into itself. Dude, oh man, crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. Let's go. I have to like anticipate a little bit because of the frame rate dropping. It's just generating so much that it's like imploding. Oh yeah. Oh, this is it. This is how you beat this game, baby. Is you last long enough that it starts going so slow that you can only win. You can't do nothing but win, baby. Let's go. Champion. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, 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 oh. We're good. We're good. I mean, I could be here all day at this point. Rosa got 19 seconds. You're going to have to try a little harder. You're going to try a little harder because I'm at 1 minute and 19 seconds. Uh-oh, I'm about to die. Oh, oh, wait, I think it's not even, I think the collisions are skipping, being detected. I beat the unbeatable game. The blocks clip through the player and you can't lose. That has to be it. Cause it's skipping so much. Oh, you can lose. You can lose. You can lose. I got 1 minute and about 44 seconds. That's my best score on that. 1 minute, 44 seconds. Can you suffer through the frame rate drop for long enough and wondering, will I survive the clip or not? Can you beat that amount of time? I will say there's so much fun in the early moments of it. You're still going. I love it. Like, I love that, like, rush to try and, like, hurry up and get past those blocks. Did you clear the sprites under the player? If you're asking the dev, I would say certainly not. You're at nearly 3 minutes. Dark Rosen is crushing this one now. But I love the way that like colliding with the block moves you back a little bit. And then once you've moved back too far, it considers you lost. Like the logic that you put together here is really nice in that regard. Because you don't even really have to have physics for it to work, right? It's just like you just have a way to be instantiating a new track, a new like tile that moves forward, and then it has like different positions of the block. And then if the block like collides with the player gets moved back. That's kind of what it seems like, which is like a cool way to do it. I love the way that you tried to set this up. And, you know, obviously clearing the tiles after they go by would have helped with the time slowdown thing. But I love it, and I love the humor of like there being this other player that you cannot beat. It goes with everything because it makes it feel intentional that it's so hard. So I think you did a great job, Timothy. I love how simple it is. You just went with simple shapes, but you still got the road paint on there, and that just kind of was a nice touch that made it feel like a racing game. So good job. I enjoyed this very much, despite the incredible challenge. And yeah, thank you for submitting it. You can only lose. It just, how long can you not lose for? Dark Rosen wouldn't know, because Dark Rosen is still going. What can you do? Link is in the description box. Try that chaos of a game. And apparently we have one more potentially chaotic game going on here. This is from My 2 Cents. It's called Do Not Crash. Don't Crash. That's a scary name. Like, by the way, you're probably gonna crash, so try not to. You can lose and draw, I guess. Oh, right. So you mean in the other racing game, you draw by like never losing or something? Don't crash. Sounds like it's gonna try to get me to crash. Like that's the vibe that I'm getting. Mouse only. We're doing another mouse one. I'm literally warming up my hands for some mouse action. All right, this one's from My Two Cents. We are going to try not to crash. We're going to do our best to not crash. Something in this game, I suspect, is going to ensure that we do crash. My 2 cents, don't crash. That is, oh, that is immediately what I did. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? What have you created? What? Oh, shoot. Yo, this is fun. This is fun. Okay. Oh, what have you done? How did you do this? So, the, like, mouse, is this, like, moving? Is this kind of like that game where you have, like, a marble on, like, a pegboard, and, like, the marble falls down, and you move the pegboard to get it to, like, go to different places? Is that kind of what this is? But then it kind of feels like I'm moving the car a little bit. So, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's so sensitive. I clipped through one. I clipped through one. You got a score of 332? Oh, there is a score right here. Okay, so we got a score of almost 10. It is like that. Nice. Okay, that's good to know. And it seems like there's some trick ones that we can clip through. So we got to keep an eye out for the clip through ones. And it seems like it's the same level every time. So we might even be able to remember which ones we can clip through. Unless that's not how it works, and there is no guarantee that we can clip. Oh my gosh, My 2 cents. You were not kidding. What the what? You got 300 points? Okay. Maybe if I get these... What if I just, like, hang out? What if I don't try to get to the end, and I just, like, stay right here? I'm just gonna, like, practice, like, right here. Oh, it's so much movement! Oh my gosh. Negative points! Come on now. Negative? Dang. But I got a lot of time. So we do have to advance forward in order to get points. This is an amazing design, by the way. Such a disgrace. The negative points. It's distance traveled. Smart. It's a smart choice. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. This is fine. We can do this. Just, like, practice a little bit, right? See how it feels. Oh my god. We got options. Ain't nobody got time for that. Not today. No options today. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Here we go again. Oh, I gotta find, like, an optimal path, because I feel like I just keep making the same choice, and I keep dying at the same time. Oh my gosh. What have you created? What monster? We clipped through it. That one might be a gimme. We gotta try it again. It is! That's a fake one. Okay, noted. Oh, jeez. I'm so out of control. So I wonder if there's, like, a difference between... Because mouse movements are often, like, X and Y, right? So it's like if you... Because it's 2 dimensions. Feels like My 2 cents follow my main menu tutorial. Oh, did you? So if I move up and down, or left and right, different things will happen. It depends on how it's coded, right? But, like, there may be a specific effect that moving left and right does or doesn't cause. I don't think... I think I have no idea. I think there's no... Oh my god. Wait, Dark Rosen, you really got 300? Oh, actually, I got 77 that time. I got 116 that time. Ooh. Okay. All right. I'm feeling a little more in control. I just have to really pull it back on the y-axis. So like really pull it closer to me if I want to dodge something. 165. That's my high score so far. You just got a 323 run? Oh, shoot. Dang. You guys are good. Okay. 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 Oh, geez. But if I pull back too far, then I'm going to like run into something behind me. So I have to try to beat 300 something. Basically, I have to get 400 if my honor shall be preserved. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that was, oh gosh. I feel like it's in moving left and right that I get the most chaos. Oh, 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 fudge, man. Okay. Okay. Oh, jeez. I just tapped it. But I just tapped it. I think trying to correct is the wrong approach. I feel like I just have to, like, go for it and hope for the best. Okay. Okay. Oh, gosh. Go, go, go. Oh, 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 216. 216. That's my best so far. I'm going to keep trying. I'm not giving up yet. I'm not giving up yet. I have hope. I have hope. Okay, 216, that's my best. It's progress. That's progress. I kind of wish there was like a pattern I could move my mouse every time and it would always be the same. My 2 cents, hit me up on Discord if you want to meet, if you want to finish, if you want to finish this game. What? We got a collaboration blossoming out of a game jam entry? Now that is a hyper 1 hour game jam first. That is a first. If that really happens, you guys gotta let me know. I will play it on the stream. I will do whatever it takes to put that game to the top. 7,000 wish lists on Steam. Like, let's go. Because there's a really fun concept here, right? It's just like, it's horrifyingly difficult. But there's something about, like, careening down here in this car that gives me feelings. And I like it. I'm disappointed that I can't get further because I can see so far ahead. This like ocean of blocks. 403? Rosen got 371? Dang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'll post a source code for the game like I did with last week's entry. Yeah. Nice. The collaboration will happen. Okay. Oh, nice. Good job. Okay. Okay. So you kind of got to like push and pull, letting it fall and holding it back. I kind of want to see that source code so I know how to game it. Oh, geez. Oh, my freaking gosh. It's chaos. I don't think I can do better than what I've done. I think I've peaked. I'm going to give it 7 more tries. Okay, this is the first of 7. 6 more tries. 5 more tries. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh, I gave up because I thought I lost, but it was just a clip through. 4 more tries. Still not my best time or my best score. Oh, that one doesn't count. 4 more tries. Oh, 3 more tries. Oh my gosh. Oh, that one. It's 2 more tries. Oh, one more try. You're not gonna let G Wiz that one doesn't count. You're not gonna let G Wiz win. We're taking you on the honor system here, of course. None of these tries count. We have to do one more good try. Now it has to be one more good try. 404, you just got an error. That was just an error. That doesn't count. 404 doesn't count because that's just an error. Guys, don't refresh. Otherwise, you'll be playing a different and easier version. What you talking about? What do you mean, don't refresh? What are you talking about? Okay, I should refresh. I'm like, dude, of course I want to refresh. I'm absolutely gonna refresh. There is nothing that I'm more excited to do than refresh. We got an easier version. Okay, so you guys have to keep competing on the hard one. Okay, all right, very serious here. Very serious here. We got G-Wiz playing in the bottom left. I would love this. Honestly, if this is something that I should do more often. Dude, this should be a thing. I should open up the Discord video chat live streaming while we live stream so we can watch everybody playing. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm gonna do that next week. And we can have everybody playing at the same time. Like, what are we waiting for? You could even show while you're jamming. We could see what you're jamming. This is much easier. You can even see, like, my mouse cursor is more right where we're moving, kind of. 186. So 216 was the best I did in the other version. If I don't at least beat that, I'll be ashamed. So I have to at least top that. And guys, next week, it's going to be a feature, this game jam, where you'll be able to share your video of you making your game and or playing the other entries. Whoop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. 208. Many game devs working on one game. That is a thing too that would be interesting as well. But like, so Pierogigon and I have tried that, actually. Doing a 1 hour game jam with 2 people. It's interesting. It's very interesting. It's not bad. Basically what we kind of tried to do is we would like trade off. So we do 30 minutes. One person would work on like art and the other person would work on like code, and then we'd swap for the last 30 minutes, and the other person would work on the code, and then the other person would work on the art. Ooh.
It's so laggy because of the stream.
Oh shoot, the audio is playing. The audio is playing.
Oh, there we go.
That's G-Wiz, everybody. G-Wiz joining us on stream. G-Wiz doesn't even know yet. Oh. Oh. Ah, I just want to get better than I did. We got this new version, and now I'm not getting a better score. It's too disgraceful. I think I said 10 tries, and I must have done at least 56 tries.
It is I, G-Wiz.
It is he, G-Wiz. Every time I hear your name, I think of like that old like 1950s expression, G-Wiz. It's cringe, but I feel cringe for even saying that. Your name isn't cringe. 157, come on. I just want to beat my own score. They're all getting 800.
Oh, it's got 404.
Huh. Wait, really? Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm gonna get a high score. I did it.
It is the expression. It is the expression.
Oh, it is the expression. Okay, well then it's not cringe. Dude, oh my gosh, this is it. G-Wiz, you're my good luck charm. You're my good luck charm. Let's go, 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 let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna meet it. Wait, there's no more level after this. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? 983. Let's go, champion. Let's go. That's it. That's it. Did you guys get to the end? Did you get to the end? At that point, my 2 cents made it. My 2 cents made it. At that point, what you gotta wonder is if it needs to be like a speed run game. This is gonna be our outro music. This is music from Dark Rosen's game. G-Wiz is still going. We'll let G-Wiz keep going. Thank you everybody for joining us. That's it. That's the game jam. Those were all the entries. Amazing entries this time. Racing was a good topic. My 2 Cents is going to implement multiple difficulty levels, then upload the source files for the project either in the description or the comments of the game page. I love it. I love it. And now we're going to start having other people joining in the stream. I'm all for it. Thank you everybody for coming through. If you want to help support Hyper Game Dev, there's a lot of different ways to do that. One of the ways is on Patreon, actually. Patreon is an option. These are wonderful people who've been supporting Hyper Game Dev on Patreon, which is a wonderful thing. Thank you guys for doing that. You can join Patreon for free if you head over to patreon.com/hypergamedev. You will get access to a newsletter that I'm about to do. I'm about to do a live newsletter. It's another live stream. There's a second live stream that happens after this. And the only way that you can get there is if you head over to patreon.com/hypergamedev. We're gonna check out a game that Dark Rosen made over there on the newsletter stream, so I hope I see you there. Hopefully it won't be glitchy when we get there. If you're watching this after the live stream, you can tap or click in the bottom left to watch the last Game Jam. It was a great one. You can also tap or click in the bottom right to see the next Game Jam. I bet it's gonna be a good one too. I can't say for sure, but I have a feeling. So I hope I see you there. Thank you again, and yeah, bye for now.